This is the story of how artificial intelligence grew from basic machines to a life-changing behemoth. That world isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's our reality, and it all started with something as simple as a calculator. But here's the twist. Those humble beginnings have led us to AI systems so advanced, they're reshaping our future in ways we can barely comprehend. And the big question is, what have we learned? Artificial intelligence is now making decisions on its own, sometimes causing unexpected problems. At the same time, its ability to predict what we'll do next raises big privacy worries. Are we giving up our freedom for safety with AI watching us all the time? Welcome to the channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get notified of our next video. Buckle up, as we take a look at what has become of AI, and what you discover next will completely transform your understanding. Get ready for an intriguing journey that challenges everything you thought you knew. In today's video, we'll take a thrilling journey through the evolution of artificial intelligence, from its modest start as basic calculators to the powerful smart systems of today. We'll break it down into 5 key stages, each revealing a new layer of how AI has developed, what's driving these advancements, and what lies ahead. Expect some surprising twists, intriguing stories, and a few unsettling questions about the future of human intelligence. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's start at the very beginning, where the story of AI doesn't involve robots or self-driving cars, but something much simpler, a calculator. It all began with basic machines designed to make life easier. These devices could do little more than crunch numbers, but they laid the groundwork for everything to come. For instance, Charles Babbage's difference engine in the 19th century, often called the first computer, was a marvel of its time. It was a machine with no mind, no learning, just pure calculation. Think of these early machines like the first single-celled organisms, simple but crucial stepping stones in the grand story of evolution. But who could have imagined that these simple devices would one day evolve into something far more intelligent? Did you know Babbage's invention was never fully completed in his lifetime? Imagine the surprise if he saw today's AI capabilities. As we move forward in time, these machines didn't just become faster, they started to get smarter. With the advent of programmable computers in the mid-20th century, machines could now follow instructions, leading to more complex operations. These systems, like the early ENIAC computer, could handle more than just calculations. They could store data and execute multiple tasks. But here's where things start to get interesting. This was the first step toward machines that could learn and adapt. It's like watching a child grow from simply recognizing letters to reading entire books. Each step opens up a world of new possibilities. Therefore, what does it mean when machines move from mere calculation to comprehension? Consider IBM's Watson, designed initially to win Jeopardy, which has since evolved into a tool for medical diagnosis. And let's not forget about Microsoft's Cortana. What started as a voice assistant in video games now guides millions of users daily. Now, here's where things take a turn. What happens when machines don't just follow orders, but start learning from them? Machine learning brought a new era where AI systems could improve by analyzing vast amounts of data. Unlike their predecessors, these systems didn't just execute tasks, they learned from experience. Think of Google's search engine, which learns from billions of searches to provide better results each time. And then came neural networks, designed to mimic the human brain's structure, which revolutionized AI capabilities. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike. At first, they need guidance, but soon they're riding on their own, learning from every fall and turn. But if a machine can learn from its experiences, could it one day surpass human abilities? Did you know that Google's DeepMind created an AI that taught itself to play and win over 50 classic Atari games without any human help? So, what happens when these learning machines become part of our daily lives? We've now reached a point where AI is integrated into everyday devices, from your smartphone to your car. Tesla's autopilot uses AI to navigate the roads, learning from millions of miles driven by users worldwide. AI doesn't just assist, it adapts, predicts, and in some cases outperforms human capabilities. The smart systems of today are a far cry from the simple machines of the past. It's like upgrading from a horse-drawn carriage to a self-driving car. The technology leap is staggering, and it's happening faster than we realize. But what happens when these systems start making decisions for us? Are we still in control? OpenAI's ChatGPT is a prime example of how far we've come. This AI can write, create, and even converse like a human, pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. Finally, we arrive at the big question. What does the future hold for AI and human intelligence? As we look ahead, AI is on the brink of achieving what's known as superintelligence, a level of intelligence that surpasses human capability in every domain. Imagine machines designing other machines, creating advancements we can't even comprehend. Companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind are already working on AI that could one day exceed human intelligence. The possibilities are both exciting and terrifying. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, peering into a foggy abyss. What lies ahead is uncertain, but undeniably profound. Therefore, are we creating the tools of our own obsolescence, or are we on the verge of an incredible new era of human-machine collaboration? Did you know some experts predict that AI could reach superintelligence as soon as 2045? That's within many of our lifetimes. Once again, what have we learned? From simple machines to smart systems, AI has come a long way, but the journey is far from over. The evolution of AI raises more questions than answers. Are we enhancing our capabilities, or are we creating a new form of intelligence that could surpass us? The future of AI is uncertain, and that's what makes it so exciting and, frankly, a bit unsettling. I can't wait to see what AI becomes in the future, and neither should you. If you've watched this entire video and still have questions about artificial intelligence and its evolution, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you're interested in how AI is changing the world, let me know, and I'll make more videos like this. Don't forget to watch the video on the screen. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, and until then, bye for now.